Hi guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. So today we are doing DIYs, you guys. This is my first project and I'm doing a DIY side table. I'm actually using concrete and using PVC pipes to make a mold for it. But yeah guys, and unfortunately it also started raining when I was doing this and I had to come back again and continue. I do hope that you like it. Don't forget to smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do consider to subscribe as well.
Alright, so it started raining, you guys, but it looks much better now. So I'm just gonna continue. I just got my concrete mixed up, and I am actually gonna be using this chicken mesh for reinforcing my table base. And then I also have this low stamper thing that I'm gonna be using for stamping, especially at the bottom. This is one of the legs from the table that I bought from this. I already mentioned about this, so I'm gonna be using this for stamping, and yeah, that's just basically it. So now I'm just gonna first put the concrete inside. And I'm gonna stamp it in just to compress it a little bit. And then I'll just follow up with my mesh for reinforcing the piece. Alright, and then I'm just gonna fill it in, you guys, and that's basically it. And then I'll show you guys the next time when I'm taking off the mold, just to show if it's okay. So yeah. Alright, so I'm done now. In order for it, whilst it's busy curing, I'm just gonna use this bag and just cover it, because I mean, you guys can probably see it's drizzling, and since it was raining earlier, there's a possibility of more rain. So I'm just gonna cover it up like this and just make sure that as it cures, it's alrighty. And that is it. I'm gonna show you guys once it has done curing, when I'm taking off the mold, and that's everything for today. Okay, so I started scraping on my lower table here, and if you can see, I actually just used a knife and it was just flaking off this thing. It came off very easily. I didn't even spend 5 minutes on it. Actually, I think way less than 5 minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, then I was done. And yeah, now, but we have load shedding now, and we just want to sit outside here, and I think when the power comes back, I'm gonna start sanding it and then do the next steps that I want to do on it, possibly tomorrow. Today I think I'm just gonna finish with the sanding part. Hi guys, welcome back. So today is actually Saturday, and this video must actually go live tomorrow. I still have to edit and upload and stuff. But yeah, this has had enough days to cure, so I just want to take it out of the mold, keeping my fingers crossed it doesn't become a flop. But I've prayed so much, so I don't think oh my gosh, my neighbors are busy. I don't think I've ever prayed so much for a DIY, but this one I've really prayed, because the other one you guys saw already, that was a flop. But it's time now to take off this off the mold and I really hope it comes right, you guys, because okay, I need to get it going. Oh, jeez! I almost thought it was actually breaking. Oh! I would have to send it down a little bit, but it came out nice. I like the grooves. Yes. Let's break it, baby. Woo-hoo. Let's break it, baby. Okay, I'm officially happy now. Officially happy. So this is my base. Now I need to work on the top. Yeah. Okay, let's get that going. Baby. guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. Okay, someone is also saying hi. So today I am doing styling, but also I just want to show you guys how my two pieces turned out. The one is a complete DIY from scratch, and then the other one was a thrift find, but I had to give it life, life. But yeah, first thing, I'm just going to show you how they both turned out, and then I am going to continue with the styling part. Okay, so this is here my first piece, the one that I gave life. It's the thrift find. So basically it was just just a sanding, of course, and then I added these half rounds off camera. And then also the other thing that I did was stain it, because I noticed that without the stain, because the wood, I actually got the Meranti half rounds, and the wood here was actually a little bit light, and so I decided to stain the whole piece. So this is how it came out. I love it. Of course, I've got some imperfections here and there, but I'm not mad about it. I actually love the way it really turned out. I thought about it, how it would look, but this is even way better than how I imagined it. And then the second piece is this one. And this, you guys saw how I did that and everything. And then here, I'm not mad about this. I'm sorry that I'm actually a little bit off camera, and I do like the fact that it's quite steady. It's very, very heavy, the base. It's very heavy, and I actually had to use some bolts here and some concrete wall plugs to put on these bolts into the base. Unfortunately, I didn't have the same filler color as the wood, and I didn't actually know what color or type of wood this is. I'm assuming it's some type of oak, but I just didn't know what type color. And this is the filler that I had on hand. So I'm not mad about that, because this, when I'm styling it, it's completely going to be covered. And in actual fact, I don't see it like being bare as a side table. I'm always going to have something on top of it, so I'm not mad about that. And that is everything for today's video, guys. I do hope that you did enjoy it and what I brought, actually, because this is my first DIY video for the year, and I'm really super excited because I have a few other projects in line that I would like to do this year that are DIYs. So I'm super excited for that. And if you haven't done so already, please do consider to subscribe to this channel, Homemade by Sibo. And also don't forget to smash that like button. And with that said, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.